for Brandon, obviously there's been some stuff happening off the court. Just do you have any comment on that and how this has kind of transpired for you and dealing with it?
I never lose sight of the fact family has lost one of their loved ones that night. This whole situation is just really heartbreaking. But respectfully, that's all I'm going to be able to say about on that.
For both Brandon and Javon, there's certainly been a lot of national attention on this program in the last couple of weeks, and you've gone to visiting arenas where there's been chants, towards you and towards the team. For Brandon first, how much has that affected you? And for Javon, how has that affected the rest of the team hearing that?
I mean, we hear the chants. Feel like we just really lean on each other just to go to places like that and just try to pull out tough wins.
Yeah, Brandon, just in the past, month or so, there's been just criticism. The fact that you haven't sat out any games. How would you respond to that?
Again, I just lean on my teammates, and we just go places to get wins.
Brandon, along with that question that Nick just asked, just to add to that, just to have the mental fortitude and to be able to rely on your team during all of this criticism, I guess we can call it, the extra spotlight on you. I mean, something you could never prepare for. What's been the biggest challenge for you and able to stay focused in the game of basketball?
Respectfully, I mean, can't really say more on that, really.
Last one, Chase.
Brandon, when your name came out a couple weeks ago in court, did you have anybody in your ear telling you that it would be easier for you or better off for you if you just withdrew and started getting ready for the draft?
Yeah, ask that again.
So when your name came out a couple weeks ago, did you have people in your ear saying, Brandon, why don't you just withdraw and get ready for the draft?
I mean, I hear a lot of people in ears of chants. I just feel like I just lean on these guys next to me, and it just build me up to a person that I am now.
Brandon, it's award season, and your name's going to be mentioned for a lot of things. Just two questions, kind of. What do you want to be remembered as at Alabama? What legacy do you want to leave behind? And then also, you just did talk about the draft. What would be your message towards an NBA team getting Brandon Miller at the end of this season?
One thing, I want to be remembered as a champion. I mean, I know JQ has a ring on his under his name. I feel like, I mean, where I'm from, so I feel like we can go to Nashville. I feel like we can go to Nashville and win another ring. So I feel like that's just the biggest thing with us. Just want to be known as a winning team.
And then your message to NBA team about what they would be getting.
Can't really speak on what they be getting now. I kind of just control what I control now. Just going out to Nashville and get wins.